there's a new happening place here in the south, and of course, I had to travel all the way here and try it out myself. They have a lot. We're here at Quantum Clubhouse. I had to get the brochure because they have so many activities from basketball, volleyball, pickleball, badminton, padel. They have virtual golf, and of course, F1 racing simulators. It's called Meta Motors. How cool. You can literally spend all day here. And of course, they have food aside from the activities. I'm excited to try and do everything. So let's get my sports on and of course our food on. What began as a golf-centered concept has evolved into a broader active lifestyle hub with the opening of Quantum Clubhouse in Alabang. Built as a one-stop destination, the facility combined sports, training, recreation, and food concepts in one venue, creating a modern space where beginners, enthusiasts, and even families can enjoy different activities in one visit.
So when we thought about Quantum Clubhouse, which is what it's called, we thought about, a multi-sport facility where we can cater to everyone. Because some basketball players actually play golf, some pickleball players play golf. So it's just nice to have a multi-sport facility that can cater to a whole family.
So multi-sport, What do you guys offer here? What other sports?
So we have 1 basketball court, 2 badminton courts, 6 pickleball courts, 2 padel courts, and then 9 golf bays.
Nice.
Yeah, so it's really good for the whole family. So mom can play pickleball, dad can play basketball, the children can play golf. So it's really like an all-around thing. So actually we were talking about it a while ago.
No, because when I walked in, it felt like a country club.
Yes.
Like it's giving country club vibes.
Yes, so we wanted, because we noticed also that a lot of country clubs now are a little bit outdated, a little bit older. So we kind of wanted to make a more modern sports facility or a modern country club, but this is the catch, right? It's open to the public.
So more accessible.
Yes, so more accessible, price friendly. You don't have to have like a big capital or you don't have to spend big to be able to enter. So yeah, that's why we built Quantum Clubhouse.
When people walk in Quantum Clubhouse,
Correct.
What do you want them to feel?
So again, I just want them to feel like it's a country club, but it's very accessible. So I always train our staff to make sure that they're well greeted, that, actually I'm a member in Wakwak. And Wakwak is known for really great service. And, they really make you feel like you're part of this club. And that's really one of the mantras of Quantum Clubhouse, is to really make it feel like home. Some facilities are way too professional, wherein some people, they kind of feel out of place just because there's a lot of people training and really serious. But here, I just want them to feel welcome. And I think that's really the thrust of Quantum Clubhouse, is that, number one, it's all around, but all at the same time, it's very welcoming.
Now, I want to go back to the concessionaires because you mentioned there's going to be a lot, and I see a lot, and I'm getting hungry. What is your favorite?
So my favorite is actually, there's this concessionaire called Toriyaki Grill. So that's a bunch of those yakitori sticks, which I'm sure you'll love later on. And then my other favorite is called Hungry Beast, and they have this really, really amazing chicken burger, which is really my favorite. So I'm not really actually a fan of chicken burgers, but this one, I hope you try it, and I know you'll like it for sure.
Okay, describe Quantum Clubhouse in one word.
Quantum Clubhouse in one word. I guess I would say it's diverse. So diverse in not just the amount of sports that you can play here, but also the people that come.
And people, do they have to make appointments or can they walk in?
Yeah, so we actually have a booking platform where they can book, or they can just call our Instagram or our cell phone number. Hi everyone, I'm just inviting you to Quantum Clubhouse. It's a place where you can really have fun and bring your whole family. So please come to Quantum Clubhouse. And if you want to find us, please just look at Instagram at Quantum Clubhouse at Instagram.
Before exploring the rest of Quantum Clubhouse, I wanted to begin with one of its signature experiences, golf. It felt only fitting to start with the sport at the heart of the facility, where, guided by a certified instructor, I went through the basics, from posture to swing mechanics, and quickly realized that every moment on the bay requires focus and control. So to help get my golf on, because I'm going to be a pro golfer one day, right, Coach? We have Coach Bong Lopez here with me. He's going to teach me the foundations. But before we learn about the foundations, I'm interested in the technology because this is so cool. So Coach Bong, thank you so much for teaching me today and having the extra patience for me. But let's talk about foresight. What does this offer that a normal, golf can't offer?
When you go to the driving range, then you work on your swing. Here you work a lot on your numbers. See all the numbers there?
Yes.
For golfers, you need to be able to fine-tune everything. This is aside from your basics. But growing your game to the next level, you have to understand why the ball does this, how could you make the ball behave this way. So that is what this gives you.
So would you say this is more for like the intermediate golfers, or this is also helpful for beginners?
Helpful for beginners also.
Now let's talk about the foundations,
Yes,
the basics of golf. What are the most important, especially for me like a beginner?
We'll just put it very simple. Everything starts with the letter P. So the first one is the position of your hands. Okay, the next P is the pressure you put. Next P is your posture. How do we do your posture? Again, starts with the Japanese bow. You straighten your arms. Japanese bow. Then lastly, a little bit flex on the knees. Oh yeah, perfect. Another P, which is something to do with the turn. It's your pivot.
Oh.
Okay, again, mirror image, you pivot on your right side. So you pivot here. The next pivot is left side. Turn, then go to the left, pivot. Yeah. And the last P for you is power. How do we generate power? Okay, the drill for power is your baseball thing. The ball is up here. Posture, everything the same. Okay, relax grip. Okay, ball is here. Swing hard, beat hard. Yeah, that's how you develop your power. Parang baseball swinging, turn and turn.
From high-tech golf base to real-deal fundamentals, we're slowing things down and learning the core basics of golf. With a certified instructor by our side, it's all about enjoying the process while getting better with every swing.
Go. Yun, magandang swing. Really good swing.
After swinging through the golf course, we're keeping the energy up as we head over to try pickleball. So I heard pickleball is all the craze right now. So we're gonna see what's the hype about, and we're here with Coach Kevin Patungan. He's gonna teach me all the basics, and we're gonna learn how to pickleball. A fun, fast-paced game that's taking the club by storm. It's all about agility, quick reflexes, and a lot of laughs along the way.
Start tayo about sa lines.
Okay.
Okay, lines. Starting baseline, the outside.
Okay.
Okay, dyan serve and receive the ball.
So we're always in the baseline.
Yes.
Okay.
So the inside is volley zone.
Okay.
This volley zone. Then the kitchen, this is the orange lines. The front, okay. So
Okay.
this is non-volley.
Okay.
So you hit the ball, one bounce, then hit. So you try serve.
So what
Okay,
is
drop, then back swing. Yeah. Then you drop the ball, one bounce, then hit, follow through.
Okay.
Yes, that's it.
Now that we've mastered the basics, it's game time. Okay, let's go team. Who's playing with me?
This one. Good.
Okay. Paddle in hand, we hit the court for a friendly pickleball match.
Hi, out.
After all that action on the course and court, it's time to refresh and enjoy some tasty treats. First, Hungry Beast serves comforting, flavorful dishes to recharge. Next, Toriyaki Grill tempts us with fresh and creative bites that keep the energy up. And to top it all off, the Clubhouse bar is ready with refreshing drinks to toast a day well spent. What a fun, but OMG, I am so winded from the activities here at Quantum Clubhouse. You know, we barely scratched the surface. We've only done 2 out of their 7 activities here. I had the best time. My Ferdy and Chal, we have to come here. Now I know what Ian's talking about with the whole community and bringing family and friends here. It is the spot to be. So I gotta bring everybody here. Totally fun. But you know, I said I'm winded and this girl is hangry. We were sweating earlier. And now we're gonna grub. We're gonna eat because I heard their food is really good. So I gotta go and dig in on this burger.